Hello, today we're going to start with the jupeb 2015 biology past question. Question 12. Which of the following nitrogenous base is found in RNA and not in DNA? You have A. Adenine, B. Thymine, C. Uracil, D. Guanine. Yet the correct answer here is C. Uracil. The DNA have 4 major nitrogenous base. They have the adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. While the RNA have adenine, thymine, guanine, but the cytosine is being replaced with uracil. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment in this comment box if you have any question. Thank you.